Recording by LT. The Silence. What It Is, How to Use It by David Van Bush. Section 10. All things are in divine order. Divine harmony and peace actuate every thought and action of my being. I realize that all things are in divine order for me and mine. There can be no disturbance in the world without or the world within my being, but that is in perfect harmony with the infinite. The circumstances outside of my life are all for my good. My environment where I am now and the conditions in which I am living, I make harmonious for me by my attitude of mind. I think only peace, I breathe only love, I speak only harmony. My conditions and my environment, although outwardly inharmonious to my likes and tendencies, are changed by the alchemy of my thinking into a perfect symphony of happiness for me now. Divine harmony and peace actuate every thought and action of my being. This thought is energy. This thought is life. This thought is power. The energy, life, and power of this thought weaves all of my diversified life's experiences into a divine pattern of perfection for me. There can be no trouble, disappointments, sorrow, reverses, loss, or discord, but that shall be changed for my good when I think spirit and live the affirmation of today, namely, divine harmony and peace actuate every thought and action of my being. All things are in divine order. The spirit of divinity prompts my thinking. The divine within me actuates my actions. The God powers within, this minute, are working all things together for my good. There can be no danger come nigh of my dwelling, for my body is the temple of the living God. Therefore, the God Spirit within me protects me from all harm, inspires me to high ideals, lifts me to heights of righteousness, and fills my soul with love. Love for my circumstances, love for my present conditions, love for my environment, love for everyone in the world, love for all of the creation of God. Therefore, I have no enemies, for I love all. I recognize no misfortunes, for the love energy within turns all misfortunes and sorrows into stepping stones for my greater advancement and achievement. The God energy within transforms all inharmonious conditions without into a perfect harmony within. The kingdom of God now reigns within me, and I am at ease, at peace, and at one-ment with all nature and God. The harmony, therefore, within me, in nature and in God, gives me perfect peace within and perfect peace without. Divine thought and energy, love and blessing actuate every action of my being. Where divine love reigns, there can be no trouble, no discord, no inharmony, no lack, no limitation, no sorrow, no grief, no sickness, no failure. The energy of divine love transforms all things into my good. The love and peace of the Father abideth within me and is manifested without, so that my life is one harmonious whole, touching the lives of all others who come in contact with me, so that they too feel my vibrations of that one-ment with the Father, and they in turn become harmonious and complete in spirit with man and God. Divine harmony and peace actuate every thought and action of my being. All things are in divine order. End of section 10.